Hey guys, in today's video, I will be reviewing the top 8 best stick vacuum. I made this list based on my personal experience, and I try to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Vactidy Cordless Stick Vacuum. With high and low power modes, the Vactidy did a great job cleaning bare floors. And while it did a good job picking up pet hair from carpet, some hair clung to the nozzle and had to be removed by hand. Sadly, its edge cleaning was among the poorest in our test. We did find the Vactidy easy to use and maneuver, and the dust cup was easy to remove, clean, and replace. All of the filters, including its HEPA filter, are washable, which is convenient and saves you from having to buy replacements. The battery is removable for charging, and a small wall dock holds the vacuum, but not the attachments, so you'll have to store them separately. Number 7 in my list is Electrolux WellQ7 Stick Vacuum. For those who prefer a more traditional stick vacuum configuration with an easy-to-grab handheld vacuum that piggybacks on board, this Electrolux WellQ7 is a great choice. Plus, it's slim, streamlined, and stands up on its own, which we love. And it's got lots of upscale extras like 2 power nozzles, an extending crevice tool, and a pedal that you press to snip hair wrapped around the roller brush. We found it refreshing to review this vacuum among all the other pole vacuums in the test. It was simple and straightforward to use and did a great job in our bare floor and pet hair pickup tests. The hand vacuum and stick vacuum share the same dust cup with a multi-layer filter system. And this design makes it easy to pop off the hand vacuum quickly when you need it without having to disassemble the entire vacuum. Number 6 in my list is Miele Triflex HX2 Stick Vacuum. We love the Miele Triflex HX1 stick vacuum and this newer version. The Triflex HX2 is even better. No other stick vacuum is as innovative and adaptable as the Miele Triflex. Most stick vacuums can be used in 2 configurations, upright and handheld, but the Miele can transform into a third design. With the motor, battery, and dust cup, the power unit, placed up top, it works like a traditional pole vacuum, making it easy to reach under low furniture or up high to clean ceiling moldings and light fixtures. But there's more. Move the power unit and the weight down by the nozzle, and it's now easier to push and maneuver across bare floors, areas, rugs, and carpets. And with more of the weight at the bottom, it can now do a better job cleaning deeper pile carpets. Finally, you can detach the power unit completely and use it as a handheld for stairs, upholstery, and other above-the-floor cleaning needs. Number 5 in my list is Bissell I-ConPet Stick Vacuum. Great cleaning performance, lots of cool features, and a price much lower than comparable models earned Bissell's I-ConPet Turbo Edge its spot as our best value pick. It aced our bare floor and edge cleaning tests and did a very good job removing pet hair from carpets too. And we got almost a full hour of run time on a single charge. That was comparable to vacuums almost twice its price. We found the dust cup very easy to remove, empty, and replace, something we can't say for all the models in our test. We like the extended comfy grip and how well it maneuvered on bare floors and low and medium pile carpets. The controls are clear and easy to use, and it comes with a wall-mountable caddy that holds all the vacuum's attachments, even a flexible hose, so nothing gets lost. Number 4 in my list is Samsung Bespoke Stick Vacuum. Bagless vacuum cleaners have long had a dirty little secret. The dust cups need to be emptied, and that's an irritating job, especially for allergy sufferers. But Samsung's Bespoke Jet Cordless Stick Vacuum has a charging and self-emptying station that, when placed in a corner of a room, might just pass for a high-tech air purifier or audio speaker. We think this feature is enough to make it worth the investment. We're starting to see stick vacs move in the same self-empty direction that robots have been going in, and we think the convenience they provide is a worthy upgrade. This Samsung vacuum begins charging as soon as you place it into the stand and empties when you press the button on the front. You simply need to change the bag inside once it's full. We found that in most cases, the dirt canister emptied almost completely, leaving behind only a few stray hairs that had wrapped around the filter. A new model that we've already tested but is yet to be released empties more completely and even automatically closes the dustbin door. We'll be swapping this model for that one once it launches. Number 3 in my list is Kenmore DS4095 stick vacuum. Most cordless stick vacuums that cost less than $200 are terrible. The Kenmore Elite CSV Max Cordless Stick Vacuum DS4095 is a rare exception, but it still makes major trade-offs. We found that it's a superb cleaner on both rugs and bare floors, picking up fur and debris almost as effectively as our top picks. This lightweight model cleverly folds in half for easier cleaning under furniture, and it has an extra-large 33-ounce dustbin. It offers a solid 38-minute runtime and recharges in 4 hours, similar to the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. It lacks the convenient, versatile attachments that our top picks have for cleaning fur off upholstery, dusting shelves, or reaching into crannies. But its biggest drawbacks are its weak 1-year warranty and non-replaceable battery. Number 2 in my list is Dyson V12 Detect Slim Stick Vacuum. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim comes closer to an ideal stick vac than any model we've tested. It's light and nimble around furniture and on stairs, and it even works on shelves, walls, and ceilings. The V12 Detect Slim rivals more expensive vacuums, such as the Dyson V15, in suction, airflow, and cleaning power, and it comes with multiple brushes and attachments, including a motorized brush for pet hair. It runs for 45 minutes on a single charge, longer than most of the other vacuums we've tested. It has high-tech features that make it almost fun to use, including a sensor that automatically adjusts suction, a laser headlight that illuminates dust in dim corners, and an LCD screen with a battery countdown and other information. It's also one of the quietest models we've tested. The biggest downside of the V12 Detect Slim is its tiny 12-ounce dustbin, which requires frequent emptying. You also have to swap between 2 different brushes, depending on whether you use it on carpet or bare floor. It takes 4 hours to recharge, longer than most other models, and doesn't stand up on its own. Dyson covers it with a 2-year warranty. Number 1 in my list is Tineco Pure One S11 stick vacuum. The 15 cordless vacuums we've tested in recent years range in price from $105 to $899. The Tineco Pure One S11 sits right in the middle of that pack with a retail price of $400, but it performs as if it costs a lot more, with outstanding results in each of our main cleaning tests. To be specific, the Pure One S11 tied for second place among all of our lab's cordless vacuums on hardwood floors, sucking up 99% of the sand we scatter to simulate dust and other fine particles, and 100% of the black rice we use as an analog for crumbs and other larger bits of debris. It was our No. 1 finisher on low-pile carpet, with a sand score of 93% and another perfect 100% with the black rice. It's a strong performer on plushier mid-pile carpets too, which is our most difficult test. The Pure One S11 finished in 3rd here, gathering up 78% of the sand, and once again, 100% of the black rice. Crumbs don't stand a chance against this thing. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video. And if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.